If your hands and feet are always cold, if you sometimes feel tingling or numbness in your legs, or if swelling makes your ankles feel heavy at the end of the day, you're not alone. These are classic signs of poor circulation, and millions of men and women over the age of 50 experience them every single day. But here's something most people don't know. There's a simple spray you can make at home, using an ingredient that costs just a few cents per day, and it can start improving blood flow in as little as 30 minutes. Grab a spray bottle and follow me to the kitchen. We're going to mix 1 part apple cider vinegar with 3 parts warm water. Shake gently, spray the mixture directly on your hands and feet, and then massage upward from your toes toward your heart for just 5 minutes. Within minutes, you'll notice a gentle warmth spreading through your fingers and toes. That warmth isn't magic, it's your circulation waking up. This isn't just an old wives' tale. I first learned about this technique from a 79-year-old cardiologist who had circulation problems himself. For years, he struggled with cold hands, swollen ankles, and poor recovery after exercise. His colleagues wanted to put him on blood thinners, but he resisted. Instead, he went back to a method he'd seen his own teachers use decades ago. Within 2 weeks, his swelling had improved, his energy returned, and he never looked back. And here's the most fascinating part. He's not the only one. I spoke with 15 retired doctors in their 70s and 80s, and they all shared similar natural solutions. They haven't needed prescription medications for these problems in years. Today, I'm sharing their exact step-by-step methods. There are 5 in total, each targeting one of the most common health struggles people face after 50. Problem number 1: poor circulation and vascular health. Cold hands and feet, swollen ankles, varicose veins, these aren't just minor annoyances. Left untreated, poor circulation can lead to serious complications, from chronic fatigue to dangerous blood clots. Doctors often catch these problems too late. But retired physicians know that early intervention with natural methods can prevent decades of suffering. The method: mix 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar with 6 tablespoons warm water. Spray the mixture on your hands, feet, and calves. Always massage upward from your toes to your thighs, because that's the direction your blood naturally needs to flow. Most people miss this crucial step. You're not just rubbing vinegar on your skin. You're helping your blood vessels drain correctly and forcing stagnant blood back toward your heart, where it can be reoxygenated. Results: within 5 minutes, a noticeable warmth in fingers and toes. Within 30 minutes, swelling begins to decrease. After 1 week of daily use, significant improvements in warmth, energy, and even mental clarity. One retired doctor told me, "I used to dread winter because my hands went numb. Now, with this routine, I can go for walks outside without gloves. My circulation is better now at 82 than it was at 62. Problem number 2: joint pain and muscle stiffness. Arthritis, knee pain, stiff shoulders, aching back, these are among the biggest complaints of aging. Prescription painkillers only mask the problem, while surgery is invasive and risky. But retired orthopedic surgeons developed a spray that targets inflammation at the source. The joint spray. Mix 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar with a 1/4 cup warm water. Spray directly onto painful joints like knees, hands, or hips. Massage gently for 3 minutes, then cover the joint with a warm cloth for 30 minutes. The warmth allows the natural acids to penetrate deep into the tissues, acting like oil for rusty hinges. For stiff muscles, increase the concentration. 3 tablespoons vinegar plus 2 tablespoons water, and massage in circular motions for 10 minutes. Timeline of relief. Within 30 minutes, noticeable warmth and easier movement. Within hours, reduce stiffness. Within 1 week, pain often decreases dramatically, sometimes as much as prescription anti-inflammatory drugs. An 84-year-old surgeon shared his story. For 2 years, I couldn't climb stairs. After 5 days of using this spray, I was gardening again. My knees felt 10 years younger. Problem number 3, digestive issues, the shocking location. Now, here's the part that surprises almost everyone. Instead of drinking vinegar, which can cause stomach burning, these doctors discovered that spraying it directly on your abdomen works faster and more effectively. The digestive spray. Mix 3 tablespoons apple cider vinegar with a 1/4 cup warm water. Spray across your stomach area, from below your ribs to your navel. Massage in clockwise circles for 5 minutes, following the natural path of digestion. Cover with a warm towel for 20 minutes. This method stimulates digestive enzymes through the skin, helps trapped gas move, and reduces bloating without swallowing anything. Relief usually starts in 10 to 15 minutes. One retired stomach doctor admitted, "Medication couldn't fix my chronic bloating. This external spray worked in days. Now I can enjoy meals without discomfort." Problem number 4, respiratory issues. Sinus congestion, sore throats, and seasonal allergies affect nearly everyone. But instead of relying on over-the-counter sprays, here's how doctors treat themselves naturally. For sinus congestion, 1 part vinegar plus 4 parts distilled water. Spray around the nose, temples, and forehead. For sore throat, 1 teaspoon vinegar plus 6 tablespoons warm water plus a pinch of salt. Spray gently toward the throat. For allergies, 1 teaspoon vinegar plus 1 cup water. Mist lightly under the nose and around the eyes before going outdoors. Within hours, sinus pressure decreases. Throat pain improves within 30 minutes. And allergy symptoms fade when applied consistently. Always use organic vinegar with the mother for maximum benefits. Problem number 5, stress, energy, and sleep. Finally, let's talk about mental wellness, the most overlooked health issue after 50. Stress, fatigue, and poor sleep can make life miserable, but simple vinegar sprays can bring surprising relief. Stress and anxiety. Mix 1 teaspoon vinegar, a 1/4 cup water, and 3 drops lavender oil. Spray on temples and wrists. Inhale deeply. Calms nerves in 15 minutes. Low energy. Spray vinegar solution on the back of your neck after a morning shower. Improves energy flow within 20 minutes. Better sleep. Spray diluted vinegar on your pillow and around your bed before bedtime. Supports natural melatonin release for deeper, restorative rest. One sleep specialist explained, "I prescribed thousands of sleeping pills in my career. But at 75, I sleep better with this vinegar spray than I ever did with medication." Why this works? Apple cider vinegar contains natural acids that relax blood vessels, reduce inflammation, and improve absorption through the skin. Combined with gentle massage and warmth, these sprays support circulation, joint health, digestion, breathing, and mental wellness, all without expensive drugs. Used consistently, the improvements can be life-changing. Many retired doctors I spoke to said they feel healthier in their 80s than they did in their 60s. And the best part? The total cost is less than $5 a week. Remember, this is educational content, not medical advice. Always test diluted vinegar on a small patch of skin first, especially if you have sensitive skin. Never apply vinegar undiluted. Start with 2 or 3 sprays that target your biggest concerns. Use them daily for at least a week, and pay attention to the changes: warmer hands, reduced swelling, less pain, better digestion, clearer breathing, deeper sleep, and more energy. Thousands of people have already reclaimed their health using these methods. If this inspires you, share it with someone who needs healing, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe for more natural health secrets that actually work.